WorkplaceOne is a concept that represents evolving corporate strategies, global structure, sustainability, innovation, and profound changes in office planning and design. It is not tied to any one planning program or furniture solution, but offers diverse solutions to facilitate innovation in every aspect of the work process and supports varying work practices and experiences. WorkplaceOne is designed to satisfy cognitive, social, and physical needs. It creates places for refreshment, entertainment, and social interaction, as well as the creation of new knowledge and its transfer and dissemination. WorkplaceOne is where people, place, and technology converge, and great ideas are born. Let's take a tour of a WorkplaceOne environment. The Lounge, a hub of lively activity. The lounge is a multi-purpose space that may be comprised of a reception or concierge desk, cafe, business center, and seating that draws inspiration from hospitality settings. Unlike traditional cafeterias or employee lounges, often in use for only an hour or two each day, the lounge is a casual and inviting space utilized throughout the day. The lounge is also an important site for communicating the corporate brand to employees and inviting visitors to experience and participate in the office culture. Even in open-plan, high-energy collaborative work environments, there is a need for acoustical privacy. Quiet zones. Defined by diversity, today's workplace is home to 4 generations who require a variety of settings within the open office, including spaces that offer privacy and quiet, often in rare supply. Within the quiet zone, cell phones are prohibited, and each station varies to accommodate diverse needs and preferences, allowing workers to choose their experience. Heavy computing. For many workers, computing continues to be the primary component of their day, requiring an environment that promotes efficiency, effectiveness, and healthy work postures. Benching layouts accommodate existing and future technologies, yet still maintain an open, inviting environment. Collaboration. Open, informal settings located throughout the office. Collaboration zones allow people to land at various sites to share their knowledge, skills, and experience. Recognizing that such interaction is vital to innovation, companies are giving more space to settings that invite interaction and provide an outlet for collective creativity. Variety and proximity to workers is critical. Resident workers are core team members, process owners, and mentors who typically spend over 50% of their time in the office, albeit not necessarily at their assigned workstations. While work at the computer remains a constant, resident workers also switch gears to spur-of-the-moment and scheduled meetings, spending less time at their workstations than formerly, and require less space. Touchdown spaces permit non-resident workers to connect to the office. Rather than dedicate a single large area to transient workers, touchdown spaces are more effective, scattered throughout the floor plan. Workers can then elect to sit close by team members, with whom they most often confer. Dedicated lockers are also provided for employee mail and securing personal items while on site. Enclaves. While open spaces for collaboration and social engagement are key features for WorkplaceOne, enclosure is essential when acoustical privacy is desired. Enclaves provide full-height enclosure that will accommodate 2 or 3 people. Enclaves can be furnished with tables, lounge chairs, or task seating to support a different work style, focused individual work, conference calls, and confidential conversations, allowing workers to choose their experience. Learning or sharing. The global knowledge economy demands continuous learning and training in a variety of formats. Teacher-directed, discussions among team members, or interactive learning conducted online. Multiple spaces for learning in the office include training rooms, classrooms, and boardrooms, as well as project rooms, where people can brainstorm and share information on an informal basis. Walls become active through the use of whiteboards, tackboards, projection systems, and storage, as these environments are used in different ways. Telepresence allows us to have face-to-face meetings with our colleagues around the world, and spaces are being created to incorporate this technology. Private offices. The private office is designed for those who require an enclosed space in order to work with minimal interruption or distraction. Unlike the traditional executive suite, today's private office seals out noise, but maintains a sense of transparency and approachable leadership. Back doors lead to a shared backyard, visible to residents of the executive enclave, and available for spontaneous collaboration or scheduled meetings. The same furniture used throughout the open plan is used within the private offices, which reduces the communication of status and hierarchy. Office layouts create inviting front stoop conversations, as well as more formal engagements. Resident workers. To optimize resident workers' productivity, workstation layouts need to be non-regimented, arranged to make each location a unique setting, while enabling immediate access to team huddle areas and storage. The new workstation, more compact, more open, is conducive to interaction, yet provides sufficient privacy for focused individual work. Accessories contribute to a person's control over their work environment, which plays an important part in worker satisfaction, by making it possible for people to modify their work area, to change the position of their PC, add or move storage, and organize work tools as desired. Workers become more in control of their workspace. Personal amenities. In the 21st century workplace, no one owns anything. Everyone owns everything. Workers at every level own views and access to natural light, as well as cafes, lounges, and most recently, amenities such as rooms set aside for meditation or a spa designed for rejuvenation. Such amenities address physical, spiritual, and emotional needs and can make a real difference in how a person feels about his or her workplace. WorkplaceOne, a mixed plan, a healthy environment.